Well, hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about an alternate prototyping workflow you could use on any AI prototyping tool, Lovable, Bolt, whatnot, right? So compared to a more traditional specification-based prompting workflow, I'm going to talk about a more data-driven prompting workflow. Now, I did not come up with it thanks to Mr. Ravi Mehta and Claire Vo for discussing this data-driven prototyping using a JSON on the latest How I AI episode. So I'm just gonna use this and for my particular day-to-day use case, right? So what it means is like you have this data schema which connects your front end to your back end, like you make the user input some data, you display some things in the screen, you fetch some things from the API. Right now, you use all this as the starting point for your prototype, not Figma designs, not a PRD, not a specification note or anything, right? So we'll take an example of a KYC onboarding flow, and I'll ask Claude to write a JSON for me, and we'll use this created JSON on Lovable to finally look at the prototype, right? So you're an elite product designer for fintech. You are specialized in creating onboarding KYC flows. Now write a JSON for an MWeb based prototype using the following data inputs: app language, mobile number, email, biometric, PIN, permissions, PAN, right? You can confirm, like you can talk about APIs you use to fetch data, confirm that. DOB, optional flows, caps selfie. Again, like you can have, if some data is not being fetched, you can make the user input those, like gender, DOB, CKYC number, address, whatnot, right? Optionally ask users to input all of this, enter full name, income details, select employment type, monthly and salary range, bank details. Again, describe a flow like a UPI reverse penny drop. You can focus how I'm targeting all the data points which are fetched, like account holder's name, account number, bank name, or optionally enter these data points, select bank name, enter account number, and finally ask Claude to create a JSON. And for all these data input one needs to do during an onboarding or a KYC flow, it comes up with a decent JSON, quite a huge one. So I copy this, take it to Lovable, right? And here we just paste it and ask Lovable to prototype it using this JSON for MWeb digital lending KYC flow. And let's see what it came up with, which I found to be like 10x better than if you write or upload the PRD or write specifications. So let's get started. Choose your language. You're seeing the progress on the top. Of course, this can be made better. It shouldn't be showing 18 steps, but still it's kind of cracking the UI really good. There's regex embedded. So if you don't enter the exact number of fields, it shows you errors. You can just type out an OTP. Same regex happens for emails. I'm not gonna do that right now in the interest of time. Let's move on. The toggle is working. Enable biometrics. Set up app pin. Now this is very interesting. It actually matches the set app pin and the confirm pin. So if I make a typo, 2234, it's gonna show me an error, right? Pretty nice. So 1234. Let's move on. I'll just remove this toast, PAN and consent. So again, a regex for PAN. Let's say I enter anything, any junk, it's gonna not let me proceed. So that's a correct PAN field. Of course, it's a junk entry, but why not? Let's go on. So it found my details using CKYC. Of course, I'm not Ravi Kumar, but yeah, it's just populating some data for me. You can enter a different name, edit it, or you can proceed. That's your CKYC number. Select whatever data we couldn't fetch. Give me your address. Is that your current address? Continue. Full name. Now, yeah, that's my name. I'm not Ravi Kumar, but let's see. Okay, now clicking capture selfie. This does a liveliness check. Awesome. Face match. 93% is doing a fuzzy match. And okay, let's continue. You put my income details, select a range, confirm, reverse penny drop. Awesome. UPI ID. So you can enter UPI ID. Let's see. Oh, awesome. Now it's verified the account. Confirm, continue. It has all my profile information. I confirm this and I submit the application.